Who this? Kill it. So you go with your Instagram girl.
So you go on. So you go on, man. You're a
figment of imagination, dog.
So you go on. So you go on.
Watch out. Yo, second yourself. What's up? Watch out.
I'm going to be a John no. Nobody looking at Kirby Diva. Baby. John
Wait. Your money?
I mean, I have my money. I'm poor baby. Your money in my yard. What's the problem?
Right now, I'm hungry and my belly are grumble.
You're hungry, baby? Me have water, bread and butter. And my yard right now. And ancestors right now. Me have a salt jug of ice water in my fridge right now. All hungry cut. Come here.